Okay, this is Odyssey Contracting. It is, what's the date today? February
The 26th.
February 26th of 2025. We are at Perry Pierce's home at 1505 North Elm Street. We're doing a repairability test of his asphalt shingle, which is very brittle and old. State Farm has noticed that there is damage, but they think it's repairable. So I'm going to film Michael Simmons doing the repair.
Okay, right here I got the first shingle marked, which is the shingle I'm going to be removing to replace. Above 2, to the right 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 is the removal.
1 is the removal. All right.
Right now I'm experiencing mat transfer. It's really stuck together. I'm really trying to be easy, not to rip the shingle. Excessive mat transfer. So close to the bottom line where the water drip is, it's weathered and it's easy. But as soon as you get in further, in the center of the shingle, excessive mat transfer.
Are you going to remove the nails?
Yeah. It's right here.
Yeah, so that's causing some breakage.
Here, look about here. Here, I gotta show you. See right here where the mat transfer is.
Yeah. We don't know the age of these shingles. We suspect they're older than 15 years though. Alright, shingle is removed. You can see big chunks of mat transfer that have remained on the shingles. And you see the damage to the other shingles.
Right here, you see it cones. But on these tabs will separate because they're so old. So
yeah, the tabs are separated.
Right here, pieces are coming out.
Alright, then you want to put in the new duration shingle?
It's behind you.
Oh yeah, oak ridge. Oh yeah. State gray, Lawrence Corning duration shingle.
You know, I have to lift it up a little bit to get the nail under there, but it's going to keep separating these, you know.
Yeah.
And with the mat transfer, it's not going to adhere to the new shingle properly, and it's going to leave like a gap right here. This is where the mat transfer from the old shingle, and it's going to leave a ledge to be wind driven under and lifted in time to. You know, and lifting these, now it's separated right here, so it's just going to continue. You see now,
Yeah.
now it's loose right here. It's just going to be a domino effect.
Yeah. Any repairs damage the shingles around it, and it's non-repairable. We need to replace everything fully. It's too old. All right.